Okay, guys, very quick video here. I've got this Eufy camera, little security cameras. You have them indoors. Great for monitoring your home when you're overseas and so forth. You can just log in um, through the web. And one of my cameras was playing up. Like I've had it played up before. One of these cameras, and I'll tell you what was the solution for both of them. So they come with this little. So the wired, they come up with like a little AC adapter. You can see their USB A this is Australian version, and they're only rated for 5 volts, 1 amp, so it's 5 watts. And I think they're inadequate because this, as I'll tell you, these things basically bust and give way and don't give it the proper output. I've got this little USB tester that I plug into these things, and the first one that busted was the voltage was only went down to like 3 volts, so that was pretty obvious. But the second camera, when it was having some faults, it first started a fault of it was like crackly audio, and it was after a bit of a heat wave. So I sort of thought, well, maybe the heat's got to the camera and the camera's stuffed. But I fixed both of them by changing the AC adapter. These are Tika brand. It looks like TKA, and I think they're rubbish. That's two that have given way. So I tested so the first one was 3 volts. Sorry. Tested it and changed the adapter. That camera's working fine now. The usual fault is it will go, if you look at the photo here, so the blue's working fine with the Eufys. It sort of goes purple where it's in sort of startup mode, and it sort of stays there. You can get other faults, like I was getting a fault where um, the SD card that's in here saying it's not formatted properly and so forth, or it just doesn't play back properly, or files not found. So you might think it's a problem with the camera, but it's actually a problem with the power supply. So I thought I'd make this video just to make that clear. I've solved both issues by just changing little power supplies. You can buy these pretty cheap. I'll just show you here. These aren't the ones I've used. I just got these. Well, I can't show you because it's actually plugged into the camera. I don't unplug it, but it is a small little compact one I had that's only 5 watts. Like this one here from IKEA in Australia is only $5 for a 5 watt one, or you can go to three output one at 17 watts. But the thing is, you only get 12 watts maximum per port. So, but that's still better than 5 watts. There's still a bit of overhead there, a bit of leeway. So, I'd probably try the $5 one out. But if you're gonna have if it keeps having issues, I'd probably go for the $9 one here in Australia. This is probably one of the cheapest ones, and IKEA stuff seems to be pretty good. I haven't had too many issues with them, so I've been using this one for a while. Three prong one, 3 output. So guys, that's the way to do it. Thought I'd make just a short video just in case somebody else is having this trouble, and maybe contacting Eufy and saying this is rubbish, and getting a replacement, or if it's out of warranty, there's maybe you're thinking of throwing it away. But try the USB adapter first. And solve both times. I've just had issues with the camera. Usual signs are you go on your app and it says it's offline, or uh, it's not saving the footage. So I'm thinking maybe it's drawing a little bit more than 5 watts, and it's just overloading the USB adapter. So something's going on there, or it just could be the quality is really low on this. I don't know. But all I know is once I've changed it to a different brand adapter, it's been running for over a year, the other one, and there's no issues. And yeah, it seems strange when this one sort of started off an audio issue, as I said, and I thought it was the camera this time, but it was the USB adapter again. So I'm calling these T-key USB adapters that are coming in the box of these Eufy cameras are rubbish, and they fail within like a year or two. So there we go, guys. Just a quick video. Hopefully it will help somebody get out of a bit of a bind. I like doing these how-to videos and fault videos and giving people ideas. I think I've had a video on how to clean your mouse, USB mouse. I mean the little wireless mouse for the Apple. I've done a video on that and seemed to help a lot of people. So every time I come up with a problem and find a solution that seems to be working, I'll do a video with it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.